Hello students, welcome back to Practice Maths. Today in this video, we are going to find the solutions of hyperbolic functions. This is intermediate first year maths A and the ninth chapter this is. We are going to find the solutions of this one. Now start with the first question here. Here, before going to start exercise, we have to do some important uh, introduction here. So that is in your textbook Maths 1A, so 354 page number. So page number is 354. You will find there is 9.1.1. So 9.1.1 a definition is there given here, that is hyperbolic sine, that is sine hx. Okay, sine hx, what is that? Sine hx is equal to sine hx equal to, so what is given here, e power of x minus e power of minus x divided by 2 is given. Okay, so here 9.1.1 b, so this is given as cos hx. Cos hx is equal to, so what is given, e power of x plus e power of minus x divided by 2 is given. Now here again, so you will go through the your 355 page number. So there you will find, so third one, this is first one, this is second one, and third one is given as tan hx is given. What is tan hx? Sin hx divided by cos hx, no? So here sin hx means this one, e power of x minus e power of minus x divided by 2 divided by e power of x plus e power of minus x divided by 2. So 2 will get cancelled here. What will remain? E power of x minus e power of minus x divided by e power of x plus e power of x will remain. So this is his given here, tan hx. Now fourth one here given as cot hx. Cot hx is equal to this reverse. Okay. So that one, e power of x plus e power of minus x. This is minus x, and divided by e power of x minus e power of minus x. This will come cot hx. Now fifth one is secant hx. Secant hx is equal to secant x. Secant means cos reverse. So it will become 2 by 2 by e power of x plus e power of minus x. This one. Okay. Now here sixth one, cosecant hx is equal to what will come? 2 divided by e power of x minus e power of minus x will come. So these are the formulas like given in the 355 page number. Now again in the 356 page number, so in the 356 page number, you will find that there is identities, that 9.1.3. So identities are given here, identities. So first identity is given as, okay, so first one. So what is given? Cos h square x minus sin h square x is equal to 1 is given. So this you have to remember while doing problems. We'll discuss these identities. So here again, 1 minus tan h square x is equal to secant h square x is given, and other thing is given, what, third one, the cot h square x minus 1 is equal to cosecant h square x is given. So these identities 9.1.3. So here another thing, anything is important there. Mm, their proofs also given there only. So here other things are given in the like 361 page number. So my dear students, if you want to listen this one or skip to the direct to the exercise, you will find these formulas in your textbook also. So if you want anyone to direct listen the class, you will skip these introduction part like identity, say, formulas, all things. So I'm telling you because it will very important for you. That's why I'm telling. So if you want to skip this, you can skip and you will by heart these formulas as you wish. Okay. Now start with this one. Now 361 page number, there you will find sin h x plus y is equal to sin hx cos hx hx hy plus cos hx into sin hy. So this is sin of a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, like. Okay. So this is first one and this is second one. Here sin h of x minus y will come as sin hx cos hy minus cos hx sin hy will come here. So this third one, cos hy is given, cos h of x plus y is given. So it will also cos hx cos hy my plus sin hx sin hy will come here. And fourth one here, cos of h of x minus y is equal to. So cos hx cos hy minus sin hx into sin hy. So these are the formulas, some important one. In the 361 page number, you will find these formulas. So their proof also, 362 page number, you will find these proofs. Okay, all proofs are given here. So please watch those and practice those. Okay, and after that, we'll go for the another things here. That is 9.3.2. So first formula is given that here sin h2x is equal to, so 2 sin hx into cos hx is there, and is equal to 2 tan hx divided by 1 minus tan h square x is given here. So this one we get, and in this only second one is given here, that cos h2x. So this is very important, these two things. So we have to use in the in your our coming ninth A exercise. Okay, here cos h square x will come here plus sin h square x will come here, is equal to 2 cos h square x minus 1 will come here. Again another thing, what will come here, 1 plus 2 sin h square x will come here. Another thing will come here, 1 plus tan h square x divided by 1 minus tan h square x. So these three formulas, 1 2 3, here this is also fourth one. So four formulas will come up with using the cos h to x is equal to. So these proofs also given in a page number 363. So these all proofs here also given in this one. And after that another thing is there here, the important theorem is that one, 9.3.3 is given here. So there you will find tan of x plus y and tan of x minus y, tan h of. Okay, so tan h of, and here this is first one, this is second one, and this is third one. Here cot h of x plus y, fourth one cot h of x minus y. These values is given in this one. So please find this value in 363 page number. So here another thing there, 9.3.4 also is given there. So in your textbook page number 364 you will find there. So 9.3.4, there is a tan h2x is equal to is given, and cot h2x is also is given. This is 2 tan hx divided by 1 plus tan h square x, and this is also given, cot square h plus 1 divided by 2 cot h is given, cot hx. So these values is given here. And other very important formula here, 9.3.6. So this is very important, that is sin h inverse of x is equal to log e plus log e of x plus under root of x square plus 1 is. So this is also very important. So here cos h inverse of x is also given here downside in the 365 page number. So here cos h inverse of log e x plus under root of x square minus 1 is given. So other thing is given here in the 366 page number, 366 page number, you will find that tan h inverse of x is equal to 1 by 2 into log e. Okay, log e 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x is given. So this is the end of this formulas. So here guys, so solve problems there, 9.3.10 from there you will find in the 366 page number, you will find all the solve problems are there. So from starting there, uh, 7 solve problems are there. Every problem are important in 369 page up to. So every solve problem you have to do. Please focus on your do while you doing the solve problems. The solve problems will make you perfect in your board exam. Okay, preparing for board exam. So here we'll start with the 9th A section 1. There is no section. Direct question is there. So we'll start 9A. First question here. Here first question is given that if sin hx is equal to 3 by 4, find the cos h to x and sin h to x we have to find here. Now solution here. So given that sin hx is equal to 3 by 4 is given here. What is 3 by 4? So we know that identity is that what is that identity? Cos h square x minus sin h square x is equal to 1. So this identity we know na. So this sin h value we will find in this one. So we will get the cos h square x value here. Now from this identity here I am writing cos h square x minus sin h square x is equal to how much? 3 by 4 whole square is equal to 1 will get here. Now cos h square x is equal to, so this will go to right side of the equation, it will become 1 plus, so 9, 3 square 9 by 16 will come. 16 1 ja 16, 16 plus 9 25. 25 by 16 we will get here. Now here cos hx is equal to under root of, this square will goes to the right side of the equation, no? So it will become 25 divided by 16 will come here, 5 by how much? 4 will come here. So cos hx is equal to how much? 5 by 4 here. So what we have? So sin hx and cos hx is equal to 5 by 4 we have. So what we have to find first here? The cos h 2x we have to find here. Cos h 2x we have to find here. So the formula is for cos h 2x is equal to 1 plus 2 sin h square x formula here we have. So I told you already in the identities, or it will be come in a 362 page number, you will find this formula here. Okay, cos h 2x is equal to 1 plus 2 sin h square x. So here 1 plus sin h is equal to what? Sin hx is equal to 3 by 4. 3 by 4 whole square. So before there is 2 here. So 1 plus 2 into, so 3 3 ja 9 divided by, so 4 4 ja 16 will come here. 2 1 ja 2 8 ja. So it will become 1 plus 9 by 8 will come. So 8 1 ja 8. 8 plus 9 17. 17 divided by 8 will be the answer of cos h 2x is equal to 17 by 8. So this one. Now here sin h 2x we find here. Sin h 2x is equal to how much we have? So what is the formula here? Sin h 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x, no? Like that. So here in that only 2 sin hx cos hx here there. We'll do that one. Here's 2 sin hx cos shx. So here 2 into sin hx is equal to how much? 3 by 4 here into cos hx is equal to 5 by 4 here. So 2 1 ja 2 2 ja will get cancelled here. 3 5 ja how much? 15 divided by 2 4 ja 8 here. So 15 by 8. This is values 15 by 8 will come here. Now this is the end of the question. Now moving to the next question here. Now second question is given that if sin hx is equal to sin hx is equal to 3 is given, and then we have to show this answer here. We have to show this answer. X is equal to log e 3 plus under root of 10 we have to show. Now here, so one formula is there. That formula you will find in the 365 page number. So that formula is sin h inverse of x is equal to, so here log e, so log e will come here, x plus under root of x square plus 1 will come here, x square plus 1 will come. So this formula we will use here. So how we will use? We'll do this one. Now sin h inverse sin hx is equal to 3 na, so it will become sin hx is equal to 3 is there. So I will write it as x is equal to sin h inverse of x, sorry 3. So I will write here. So x is equal to sin h inverse of 3 is equal to, we can write log e. So here 3 plus under root of 3 plus 3 square plus 1 will come here. So it will become, so log e 3 plus 3 plus under root of this 3 square is equal to 9 plus 10. 10 will come here, root 10. So x is equal to. So this value we have to show here. So this we got here. Okay. Now moving to the third question. Now third question is given that we have to take LHS, we have to prove the RHS. Now solution here. So what is given LHS? Tan h x minus y is given. So here this is LHS we take here. Okay, we'll prove this RHS. Prove. Okay. So here tan h of x minus y is equal to, we can write it as sin h of x minus y divided by cos h of x minus y we can write here. So this will write, and here this sin h of x minus y is equal to, already I told you that formulas here were the formulas that we will find in the 361 page number. 361 page number is the below theorem 9.3.1 you will find there. So we have to use sin h of x minus y is equal to sin h of x minus y is equal to what will come here? Sin hx, sin hx into cos hx plus, so plus will come or minus, so minus will come here because between the minus there na, so that's why minus will come here. So minus what will come here? Cos hx, cos hx into sin hy, sin hy. So divided by this total cos h of x minus y is equal to what will come here? Cos hx into cos hy minus sin hx into sin hy will come here. Sin hy will come here. So we will divide this total into, we divide by what will take here, what will cancel here. So okay, cos hx will into divide and sin h, sorry, cos hy will divide here. So cos hy, cos hy. So we will divide with this numerator and denominator. It will become so come as sin h x cos hx divided by this cos hx into cos hy will come here minus cos hx into sin hy divided by, so this cos hx into cos hy will come here and whole divided by, so this is cos hx, this denominator will know using, so cos hx into cos hy divided by cos hx into cos hy minus sin hx into sin hy divided by cos hx into cos hy. Cos hy will come here. So anything there here? So we'll cancel things. So this will get cancelled here xx, and here cos hx, cos hx will get cancelled here. This is cos hx, cos hx, cos hy will cancel. Here this will come here tan hx, tan hy. Okay. So from this we'll get as this total here these two things and it will become tan, okay, tan, okay, wait. Now this is cos hy actually. So these two will cancel. It will become tan hx will come here. Okay. Minus this is tan hy will come here. Tan hy will come divided by this is 1 will come 1 minus this sin hx divided by cos hx is equal to tan hx will come here into tan hy will come here. So these are the answer here. These are the answer. Now moving to the next question here. Now second question is given that solution here. So given that cot h of x minus y is given, so we'll take it as LHS is equal to, we have to prove RHS. Okay. So I will take LHS is equal to means here cos h x minus y divided by sin h x minus y we can take here. So is equal to cos h x y is equal to, already we know we did in the last problem. So that is cos h x cos h of x minus y is now. So from this cos hx into cos hy minus, so sin hx into sin hy will come here and divided by, so what will become sin hx of x minus y is equal to x minus y na. So here sin hx into cos hy minus here what will come cos hx into sin hy will come here. So these formulas. Now from this we'll again same, we will divide the numerator and denominator with the like sin hxy. So we will divide numerator and denominator with the like what we can say sin hx into sin hy. So we have to get cot no, so that's why I'm dividing with the sign. So it will become cos hx into cos hy divided by this one divided by this one, sin hx into sin hy minus sin hx into sin hy divided by, so it will become this will sin hx into sin hy will come here divided by total divided by this again sin hx is into cos hy divided by sin hx into sin hy minus cos hx into sin hy divided by sin hx into sin hy. So sin hy will get cancelled here. Sin hx cos sin hx will get cancelled. So this is cos hx divided by cos hy divided. So here we'll do one thing. So here I will write here. So what we'll get here answer is cot. This is cot hx. Cot hx will come here. These two things, and into cot hy will come. So these two things. So this will get cancelled here. Minus one will remain here. Divided by this is cot hy will come. So cot hy minus this is here cot hx. Cot hx will come here. This is answer we have to prove here. Now moving to the next question, that is fourth one. Now here fourth question is given that we have to prove that. So first question is that here solution will find cos hx minus sin hx whole power of n. So is equal to we have to prove this. Okay, we have to prove this. So how we will do here? So this we will take sin hx cos hx is equal to. So what the e formula? So like e power of something we write now. So in the definition, so you will find in the 354 page number. You will go through there. So here there 9.1.1a. So I already told you this formula. So here that we will use cos hx is equal to. So cosine rule, hyperbolic cosine rule is e power of x plus e power of minus x divided by 2 and minus what there here sin h of x na e power of x e power of x minus e power of minus x divided by 2 will come here. Okay, so from this we have to do multiply here, so it will become denominator LCM 2 will come here. So e power of x plus e power of minus x will come here, so minus of e power of x plus e power of x will come here, e power of minus x. This 2 will get cancelled here. Which one? This one and this one. What will get 2 into e power of minus x will get here by 2. 2 1 ja 2 1 ja will get cancelled. E power of minus x will get. So this whole power of what is there? N is there. Na? So we'll submit this whole power of n. So it will become e power of minus x into n will come, or nx will come here. And here what we have to show, this is cos hx cos h of nx minus sin h of nx we have to show. So we will how did we do this from up to down? So here, so we'll do down to up here. So what means here? So I will multiply with the 2 and divide with the 2 nx divided by 2. So and after I will expand this one as this one here. E power of nx plus e power of minus nx and minus e power of uh, nx plus e power of minus nx divided by 2. So I will separate these things also here. E power of nx plus e power of minus nx divided by 2 here minus e power of nx minus e power of minus nx divided by 2 will come here. So these two things will come here. Okay, if I divide 2. So like how we come to downwards, how now we will go to upwards like that only. So here this total is equal to cos hn(x) will come here. Cos hn(x) will come here minus sin hxn will come. Nx will come here. So this one and this one. So these are the we have to prove like this. Now move to the fifth one. Now here second one also here same like that first one only. Here cos hn(x) is plus sin hxn. So here we'll take left hand side. LHS is equal to. So here we'll prove right HS. Right hand side. Okay. So what we'll given here cos hx plus sin hx is given na. So we'll take it as cos hxn is equal to what we have e power of x plus e power of minus x divided by 2 and plus e power of x minus e power of minus x by 2 will be we have there. So LCM is 2 here and e power of x plus e power of minus x plus e power of x e power of minus x. So these two will get cancelled here. E power of 2 into e power of x by 2 will come here. 2 will get cancelled. Here e power of x will remain. So here whole power of n then I will submit here. So it will become e power of nx will come here. Nx will come here. So now from this will again same we'll do to upside. Already we come this like the downside and we'll go upside now here like this. So here e power of so we'll from here start will e power of nx is there na? So we'll multiply by 2 and divide by 2 e power of nx. So it will become we'll write as e power of x plus e power of minus x and plus e power of x minus e power of minus x we'll write here. So by 2. So this we will dividing this like this. Okay. Now here e power of x plus e power of, so in this place nx is there na? So nx. minus nx, nx minus nx. So here what will come here? So e power of nx plus e power of minus nx divided by 2 will come here, plus e power of nx minus e power of minus nx divided by 2 will come here. So this is cos hnx plus sin hnx will come here. So these are the we have to prove here. Now moving to the next question. Now fifth question is given here, solution. So what is given? Tan hx divided by secant hx minus 1 plus tan hx divided by secant hx plus 1 here. So prove that we have to prove, and this one here we have to prove here. Now from this we'll come as LCM is secant hx minus 1 into secant hx plus 1 will come here. So cross multiplication will come here. So it will become tan hx into secant hx plus 1 and plus tan hx into secant hx minus 1 will come here. Okay, so from here we'll multiply with this one. So tan hx into secant hx will come here, and after this into 1. So plus tan hx will come here, and plus this is tan hx into secant hx, tan hx into secant hx. So again tan hx into minus tan hx will come here. This total will divide by this will come here. This is secant h square x minus 1 will come here. So here tan hx will get cancelled here. Now this will be tan hx secant hx, secant hx there. So here tan hx secant hx. It will become 2 tan hx into secant hx will come here, and divided by this is tan h square x, we can write tan h square x, right. So what is identity here? So wait, I will take check in the textbook. So here actually the identity is here 1 minus tan h square. Tan h square x is equal to secant h square x actually. So here, so this tan square I will bring this side, and the secant square I will bring this side. It will become 1 minus secant h square x will come here, tan h square x. So if we multiply with the minus, so it will become secant h square x minus 1 will come here, minus tan h square x will come. So this will come here, minus tan h square x will come here. Square and tan x will get cancelled here. So what we have to do? We have to get cosine hx. Na? So here this secant hx I will write as 2 into secant hx is equal to, I will write as 1 by cos hx, and divided by this sin hx divided by cos hx I will write here. So these two will get cancelled here. 2 into 1 by sin hx will remain. So it will become 2 into cosecant hx will come here. So minus is there, na? So this minus will come here. So here, so it will become minus 2 into cosecant hx will come here. So this is we have to prove. So here this is one. Now moving to the sixth one here. Now here sixth question is given that prove that. Now solution here we have to prove na. So what is left side is equal to right side. So given question is cos hx divided by 1 minus tan hx is given, plus sin hx divided by 1 minus cot hx is given here. So we'll do the one thing here. Uh, okay, cos hx divided by 1 minus sin hx divided by cos hx we will write here, plus sin hx divided by 1 minus here cos hx, because cot there na, so here in this place cot, so sin hx will come here. So here LCM will come like this here. So it will become I will write from here. So it will become cos hx divided by cos hx minus sin hx divided by cos hx will come here, and plus this will total will come here, sin hx divided by sin hx minus cos hx will come here, and divided by sin hx. So this will goes to the numerator, and this will also goes to the numerator. It will become cos h square x divided by cos hx minus sin hx will come here, and plus this is sin h square x divided by sin hx minus cos hx we will find here. So but here cos hx minus sin hx, no, so we will reverse this equation, we will multiply with the minus 1, so it will become cos h square x divided by cos hx into, sorry, minus sin hx will come here, and here minus sin h square x divided by, so this will reverse here, minus will multiply to, it will become cos hx minus sin hx. So here denominator will, LCM will come as cos hx minus sin hx will come here into, so here numerator will come as cos h square x minus sin h square x will come here. So but what we have to find here, so sin hx into sin hx plus cos hx, actually this is 1 will come also, okay, so not, but we will do a square minus b square here, so it will become cos hx in plus sin hx into cos hx minus sin hx will come here, so divided by this total cos hx minus sin hx, so these two will get cancelled, what will remain here, cos hx plus sin hx will remain here. So this is answer what we have to find here. So this one. Now moving to the seventh one. Now seventh question is given that prove that, here solution is what he have asking us to prove here, cos h power of 4x minus sin h power of y. So is equal to what we have to prove, so cos h is cos h of 2x we have to prove. Now from this I will write this as cos h square whole power of 2 minus sin h square whole power of sin h square y whole power of 2, I will write here x. Okay, so this is a square minus b square, so it will become a plus b into a minus b now. So I will write this as like that. So cos h square x plus sin h square y, so y only now, so this is y. Into cos h square, wait wait wait, sorry, this is x only, yeah, I took it as wrong answer, like, okay. So now here cos h square x minus sin h square x will come here. Okay. Now this is total will become 1. Here cos h square plus sin h square x is equal to what we have? What we have identity there na. So that is identity this what we have to do. So cos h2x is equal to this one. So you will find in this one 362 page number. So this one. So here downside, so cos h square plus sin h square is equal to cos h2x. Cos h2x, this one, and this one 1, so it will become cos h2x will be the answer of given question here. So please don't mind students, here I forgot this is x actually, okay, I will write again, so this is x, okay, here I will write again, so this is x and this is x, this is x, so this is 1 here. So now end of this seventh question. Now move to the eighth question. Now eighth question is given that solution here. So what is given question, u is equal to log of base e tan of pi by 4 plus theta by 2 is given here. And if this total is given, we have to prove that cos h u is equal to cos h u is equal to secant theta we have to find. This is given question in the textbook. Okay. Now here solution. This will given so we'll take, I will take log to the e power of u will come here is equal to uh, tan of pi by 4 plus theta by 2 will come here. If I take log e to this left side of the equation though. Now here tan of x plus y is equal to, what is the formula? Tan of x plus y is equal to, what is the formula? Tell me. Tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y na. So this I will use here in this place here. So I will write from here e power of u is equal to tan of pi by 4 plus theta by 2. So I will I will use this formula here, tan of pi by 4 plus tan of theta by 2 divided by 1 minus tan of pi by 4 into tan theta by 2 here is equal to, so this total is equal to 1 here, tan pi by 4 is equal to 1 plus tan theta by 2 will come here divided by 1 minus tan theta by 2 will come here. So next what is here? here what we have to find e power cos h is equal to cos h u is equal to secant theta, no? So e power of e power of u we got here. Okay. Now from this cos h u is equal to secant theta we have to prove, no? So this is e power of u actually. E power of minus u is equal to means 1 by e power of u is equal to like this. So if we do this one, so it will become e power of minus u will come here. If I do 1 by e power of u too. So here this one. So e power of u is equal to cot of what will come here? This total value reverse will come here. So this to this and this to this reverse. Okay. So that will become, I will write directly e power of x is e power of minus u is equal to 1 minus tan theta by 2 and divided by 1 plus tan theta by 2 will come here. So reverse kare to. Okay. So e power of minus u is equal to. So here what we have to find cos hu is equal to. So here I will do this one. Cos of h u is equal to. So you will go through there like in your key concepts there is a second one cos hx is equal to. Here formula cos hx is equal to what here e power of x. Okay, and plus e power of minus x divided by 2 will come. So wait, that's only. So this will in the x place there is u there. So it is e power of u plus e power of minus u divided by 2. So in this place I will submit these values e power of minus u, e power of u values. So it will become 1 by 2 into e power of u first. E power of u is equal to what we have got. E power of u is equal to 1 plus tan theta by 2 divided by 1 minus tan theta by 2 plus. So 1 minus tan theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan theta by 2 we got here. Okay, so from this we can write it as 1 by 2 into. So what we can do here? So we can cross multiply this one. So it will become this to this one. Okay, 1 plus tan theta by 2 whole square will come here and plus. So 1 minus tan theta by 2 whole square will come here divided by 1 square minus tan square theta by 2 column. Tan square theta by 2 will come here. Now here a plus this is a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. So I write in the next page only, that's it. So here this answer there na. So I will write in the next page. I will do in the clear manner. I want to do clear for you. So here a plus b whole square and plus a minus b whole square. So this is here we have got here. So it will become a square plus b square minus sorry plus 2ab na. So here and this one here a square plus b square minus 2ab will come here. So this will get cancelled. So 2 into a square plus b square will come na. So here this is only same 1 by 2 into. So here 2 into a square means 1 square 1 will come here and b square means tan square theta by 2 tan square theta by 2 will come here. So this only will come here divided by 1 minus tan square theta by 2 will come here. 2 2 will get cancelled. So here if we do this 1 plus tan square theta by 2 divided by 1 minus tan square theta by 2, we can write it as 1 by cos theta is equal to this, we can secant theta we can say this. So answer is what here? So this cos h is equal to cos h u is equal to how much? Secant theta will come here. So this is answer of given question we have to prove. Now this is end of this ninth A. So this is come for your 2 marks or 4 marks questions. So please do guys share and subscribe to my channel. I will bring more and more videos to you. Thank you guys.